Hello everyone, if you're facing this error on Skate 4, error code 39672690002, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying connection lost error on Skate 4. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to set up your Windows firewall. So you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write allow an app, you're going to go into here, click change settings, go into allow another app, click browse on here, and simply go to your Skates 4 directory. So I don't have Skate 4 in my computer, but I'll show you how you can go ahead in your Skate 4's directory. Just like this, you're going to click open on here, and then you're going to find Skate 4 on here. I'm going to use Steam as an example. You're going to tick Skate 4, and then you're going to make sure both of these checkboxes are ticked as well. And after that, you're going to press OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to download this software up and you're going to install it on your computer. And after it's done installing, what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. You're going to go into Cloudflare setting. You're going to make sure it's set to 1.1.1.1 with Warp, and you're going to connect it. And then you're going to open up your games platform. And you're just going to right click on your game, go into properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of games files. And after that, you're just going to click play on the game, and then you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.